In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to install this 24-inch Moen grab bar we got off Amazon. And CIGMAN sent me this laser level, and I think it's going to be a great tool for a project like this. Let's quickly look and see what the CIGMAN tool comes with, and then we'll get into the installation. I'll put links for all this stuff in the description if you're interested in picking something up for your next project. It's got a manual. It comes with a couple of batteries. These are chargeable. The charging cable, which is included, USB-A to USB-C. The actual laser level itself, we'll look at that here shortly. It's got a remote, so you can turn the intensity up and down. You can turn each different laser off if you only want to display one, which will also help you with life of the battery. It's got a plate here, so this will help you to be able to see the laser better. This has a magnetic clip on the back. You can stick it to a piece of edge trim or corner trim, or you can just fold out this little stand and stand it up. It also comes with this mount. So it's got a 1/4-20 on the bottom. And the laser has, I think it's 5/8 or 1/4-20, depending on if you have a large or small tripod. If you mount it on this, you can use one of these controls to turn this wheel and adjust the laser, and then use this one to raise or lower it and put at whatever height that you want. This also has magnets on the back, and it comes with this plate, so you can mount this plate on the wall, and then with the magnets on the back of the mount, stick that just about anywhere. This little door opens up, slide that in, but you can put lines all over the place. The button will decrease the intensity one click at a time, and then you can go to a pulse, so it makes it easier to identify. So if you lock it and turn it on, now you can adjust it for any specific angle. You've got a little display and it gives you the angle, so if you were setting it to an angle in the lock position, both axes, set it to whatever angle you want, and then you know you're set at that particular angle. Or unlock it and then it's self-leveling. So the unlock, and if it's on an uneven surface more than, I think it said 3 degrees, it'll flash to let you know that it's at its limits for self-leveling, so you need to put it on a more level location. You see here you can press the V, and that'll get rid of one of the vertical lines. Press it again and the other vertical line goes off. Press it a third time, you have no vertical lines, all you have is this horizontal, and then you can do the same with it. Press it once and the horizontal goes away. This is 360 degrees. This vertical here, we've got the line goes up the wall, across the ceiling, and down this other wall as well. Very cool, and all three planes have the 360 degrees. If you hold the V down for 2 or 3 seconds, it gives you this little hand icon, and then you can control it with hand gestures. There's a sensor right up here on the top. So if your hands are dirty and you're on a job site, you can control some of those features just with a hand gesture. So you can adjust how bright it is just by using your hand. But you could turn it up, or turn on and turn off different planes depending on what you're trying to do. All right, I'll get it set up and then we'll use it to install this grab bar. I set those lines using the old-fashioned bubble level. It worked pretty well, but this is just so much more convenient using the laser level. Actually, I think I want it for 35, so I'm still just a hair high. I'll bring that down about another 1/4 inch. There we go, 35 inches. Now this shower wall, we built this, my sister and I did, so I know that 35 inches is centered on some 2x6 blocking in this wall. So we could put it anywhere from corner to corner, and we want the center to be at 35 inches. I'm just going to verify we're at 35 inches from the floor, which is where we want to mount it. And we want to go 15 inches from this inside wall. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape there. And then we're going to mark 3 holes, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. Yep, that looks good. Hold it right there and then mark those 3 hole locations. Perfect. Laser level looks really good across there. We've got our 15 inches here. We could pull this away from the wall and then we can drill these holes. And I'm just going to use, according to the instructions, an 1/8 inch drill bit. And all I want to do is go through this wall material, which is a 1/2 inch thick. So I'll just drill till it pokes through there, and then I'm not going to drill into the 2x6 behind it. And it talks about putting some silicone around the screw head, so I'm just going to squirt some in the hole and kind of put a little ring around where each screw is going to go. Then it's just as simple as holding it up to the wall and putting your screws in. And we have the washers on each screw as well. So we got the light turned back on. You can see a nice centered green line along. And then these caps should just pop back on to give it the finished look. And then it says you could peel off the protective plastic. We'll do the same for the other side. So that's my initial look and use of the CIGMAN Laser Level, and it does a real nice job. Helped us get a nice level, professional looking installation of this grab bar in the shower. And you can just use them for lots of different things. If you're interested in it or you want to just get more information, I'll put links in the description for this particular one. And if you'll click the link on the screen now, you can see another video of the CIGMAN walk-in shower install, and we'll see you over there.